Listen. Can you hear it? Amazing. Shh, it's just beginning. We have more. Fast charging, 40 hours playtime, clear calls, ultra lightweight. This is what we have prepared for you. Remember, we are TaoTronics. Can you hear it?
Discover Sony's new WH-CH700N wireless noise-cancelling headphones with a long battery life and easy wireless control and connectivity. Sony's high-performance digital noise cancellation lets you block out unwanted noise and relax with your music. Press the button to activate artificial intelligence noise cancellation, which adapts to your environment, analyzing background noise and adjusting for optimal performance in different environments, including aeroplanes. The swivel flat design is ideal for easy packing when you travel. There's up to 35 hours of battery life, which is rechargeable via USB. When you're in a hurry, the quick charging facility gives you up to an hour of battery life from just 10 minutes of charging time. Enjoy quick and seamless streaming via Bluetooth technology. There's easy one-touch pairing with NFC-enabled devices. These headphones are compatible with the Headphones Connect app, which lets you tune your headphones according to your preferences. Use your smartphone to adjust audio levels, digital sound field modes, and presets. Thanks to built-in virtual phones technology, you can even simulate a variety of different listening environments, including outdoor stage, club, concert hall, and arena. Relax and enjoy the freedom of wireless listening and digital noise cancellation with Sony's new WH-CH700N headphones.
You guys gotta check out the COWIN headphones. These things are sick.
These are the only noise-canceling headphones you'll ever need.
Noise cancelling.
Hi, this is a brief introduction to our new traveling headset. The PXC550 is a wireless Bluetooth headset with Noise Gard, Sennheiser's active noise cancellation technology, offering you up to 30 hours of operation. It also comes with a powerful noise-canceling triple microphone array for phone calls. It's lightweight and highly comfortable for long-haul flights. It folds flat and collapses. To switch on the headset, simply rotate the ear cups.
Power on.
That's it. Pairing is very simple, especially when you have NFC on your phone. Simply swipe the left ear cup over the back of your phone, and it's done. Without NFC, put your PXC550 into pairing mode by pressing the sound button for a few seconds.
Pairing.
And have your phone search for nearby Bluetooth devices. With the touchpad on the right side, you control your music and calls. A single tap is play and pause. Swiping up or down changes the volume. Swiping forward or backwards skips to next track or previous track. Swiping and holding scans through the music. Take an incoming call by tapping once. And once again to hang up. With the switch, you may choose to have active noise cancelling on or off. PXC550 comes with an audio cable and the adapters to connect it to an airplane sound system. Thank you for listening.